All right, guys, here we go. We're going to take a quick look at the DXY US dollar currency index and show you exactly what the dollar needs to do in order to get a pump or reversal, at least near term, for gold and silver. Okay. As you can see, we've been in a hellacious bull market on the US dollar, the DXY, for quite some time. Been in this perfect, absolutely perfect uptrend channel. And the first order of business, if we're going to start looking for weakness in the dollar, and I think there's going to be quite a while yet down the road before we see significant weakness. But in the meantime, what we're looking for is this bottom green dash line that needs to break first. And as you can see on the first little pullback yesterday, we came right into it, and now in this trading session, we've come and hit it again, but we'll have to wait until the end of the day or towards the end of the day, see how this plays out to see if it can hold, if the dollar can hold in this zone or we break it. Okay. Now we break that measured move, and our Patreon members know how to put these measured moves on the charts. You can see there's another one right here of significant resistance that we barely got above it and put in a spinning top indecision doji candle. And high percentage of the time when you put one of those in or close one, it doesn't matter what asset, be a stock, crypto, metals, whatever, you will get a little bit of a pullback here, which we're already seeing. Now, the next big deal here is that if the dollar breaks this real fine blue dash line, this midline that goes up, then we're going to rotate down into that 20 right in this zone. Okay. And during that period of time, however long that takes, a couple of days, one day, whatever, we will see a real nice rebound in gold and silver. Okay. And this is basically a results oriented business, and timestamps don't lie. And as you can see, we nailed almost a perfect high here. Obviously that green candle was a high, but we wait until we get two or more factors, two or more reasons, hard data to back up our thesis that a asset is either going to go to the downside or upside. So that's what we waited for here. So where the red arrow is located, we had a 83, 87% chance that we were going to get follow through. And here we are again. This is that green dash line, another significant measured move. And as you can see, for going on 3 days now, we're consolidating around that area, possibly, not that gold knows it, but possibly waiting on the DXY to show some weakness here and start falling, trading, closing under that measured move right here at this green dash line. Okay. And should that happen, we could get a real nice, what we call a bullish engulfing clearing takeout candle, a green candle that takes out, everything on this side for a day or two or three, depending on how much short covering there is, so on and so forth. And we could get a nice little pop here. Plus, we're on a real strong time count, and we're extended both distance and time below the 20. Okay, and let's look at silver. Basically same situation, and what we would like to see here is a situation where we come up and at least try to hit this green dash line just above it there, okay, for any type of rotation back up to the upside. And as you can see, we got in, with actually we had about 3 factors here where we got in on the short side on silver. Okay. And that's another reason to, learn how to play the futures market, is that if you're a silver stacker, metal stacker, whatever, you can play the downside on the futures market and then take those profits when you see that your metal, whatever you're holding, is getting a rotation back up to the upside, and not financial advice, but possibly swing those fiat profits into the hard metal itself. But all right, guys, appreciate you watching. Check out our, micro futures course below. Everything we've been going over, it's explained in detail. It's hard to go over it here in like 15 seconds, but a big portion of it, almost half of it, has to do with trading, how to scale in, how to scale out, all the tricks that Wall Street and institutions know that they want to keep you, not knowing, okay? And obviously, proof's in the pudding here. We've been nailing this thing. Also, while we're in the end zone, we'll take another little lap around oil as well. That's part of the futures. And actually, again, measure and move right here at the red dash line. We had two factors there, went in short, and here we are. But all right, guys, again, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the chart.